Both the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will have the Dynamic Island first introduced in the iPhone 14 Plus. The Dynamic Island is now rolling out to both the higher and lower end version of the iPhone 15. The new iPhone 15 is here. Tim Cook is back on stage. The company is now announcing the latest in the lineup, the iPhone 15. A preview video teased an iPhone 15 in a muted pink, yellow, green, blue and, of course, black. Apple Watch Ultra 2 price is announced, $799. The Apple Watch Series 9. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be priced at $799, the Series 9 will be priced at $399 and the second generation SE will be $249, the company said. iPhone 15 Pro. Apple's new iPhone 15 Pro comes in a titanium design, and continuing a base 6.1-inch size along with a 6.7-inch Pro Max size. The Pro